Good morning, friends. Today I want to share with you a story in my big book called Bringing Down the Moon. I'm going to actually read you this story tomorrow, but today I wanted to start with a different story that is in the back of this book. It's an informational text called Day and Night Sky, and it's going to talk about the opposites of day and night. And I chose this book because it goes so well with our science, talking about our changing world. And so this informational text is going to talk about things that you see during the daytime and things that you see during the nighttime. So the title is Day and Night Sky. This is the sky during the day. The sun is in the sky. So this is actually the Golden Gate Bridge, which is up in San Francisco, which is a symbol of our state. And you can see up here the sun up here high in the sky. And then the opposite of day is night. This is the sky at night. Instead of seeing the sun during the night, what do you see in the nighttime? Here it is. The moon is in the sky. So many sight words in these sentences. So here's that same bridge at nighttime. You can see the Golden Gate Bridge, and then here's the moon. So here's the bridge during the daytime, and then here's the bridge in the evening time when it's all lit up. In the daytime, the sun rises in the morning and sets at night. The sun is very hot and bright. It looks like a giant fireball. Be careful never to look straight at the sun because the sun can hurt your eyes. So here is the city, and here is the morning time when the sun is just coming up in the sky. The opposite of morning is nighttime, or the opposite of daytime is nighttime. The moon looks different at different times of the month. The moon can look like a thin crescent, like this, like the doggy tail that we saw in the window at Froggy's house yesterday. At another time, it can look full and round, like it did this weekend. It was so beautiful. Sometimes you can even see the moon during the daytime. I know some of you have seen the moon during the daytime at school before. So here is the nighttime. So daytime, and then the opposite is nighttime. And also in the nighttime sky, you can also see stars. The sun is a star. It looks big because it is the closest star to Earth. There are other stars we see only at night. These stars are very far away from Earth. We are always looking for new stars. Maybe one day you will discover one. So here is a family, and they are looking through a telescope at the stars. And just so you know, those stars that you see in the nighttime sky are much, much farther away from Earth than our sun. Our sun is our closest star. All right, guys, so today I'm going to have you do an activity in your close reading companion book. Starting on page number 95, and it's showing that morning sky, and it's saying the sun is very hot and bright. It looks like a giant fireball, and this is what was in our story that I just read you. So taking clues from the sun looking like a fireball, because it is hot and bright, the sun and the giant fireball are both, and then you're going to write these two words, hot and bright, right here. That's your text clues. And then on the next page, 96, it's talking about the nighttime sky. And then this is what the nighttime sky looks like. And then over here, you're going to draw the sky, what it looks like in the daytime. And then in the nighttime sky, you can see two things. So one, it changes shape all the time. And it was on this page right here. That's what you see in the nighttime, but you can also see some of these in the nighttime sky too. So I want you to put those two things right here, down here where it says in the night sky you can see blank, and then you're going to put those two things right here. All right, guys, have a great day. I hope you enjoy the story, and I can't wait to see the work that you're doing.